Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of How To with the Caribbean Gaffer, powered by 13 Degrees North Productions and 13 Degrees North Rentals. We are gear for you. I'm Kirk Dawson, the Caribbean Gaffer, and welcome to Season 4 of How To with me. Now, in today's episode, we are going to be looking at a little bit of my favorite topic, lighting and lighting control. And in lighting control, when we are on set, we have to look at, we just don't put up a light. You have to control where that light goes, how it lends to the storytelling. And then sometimes you need to flag it. You need flagging it off to create shadows or to stop spill on set. And this is where these come in to play. This is a 2x3 solid flag. Now there we are going to be talking about flags. Flags come as solids. There could be silk. You can have a single stop net or a double stop net. Now flags could come solid like this. It's not collapsible. This is 2 feet by 3 feet, or it can be collapsible like this. So there are kits that you can buy, collapsible kits like this. This is a digital juice flag kit. Easy for transporting, especially on the smaller sets. You can buy a flag kit like this, but then this comes in a large bag. A little bit more difficult to transport in your Suzuki Swift. Think about that. Now, with solid flags like this cuts light off. Now if you're using a silk like this and a 2x3, this now would soften the light. This will create a harsh shadow and block all light. This will soften the light once it's passing through the silk. These now, however, these don't affect the light. These don't soften the light at all. They just reduce the intensity by 1 stop or by 2 stops, right? But these would not soften or make your light any different from what it is. The output will remain, the type of light will remain the type of light. The output will change down in intensity. Now, with flags, you can put these in when you're on set as a bottom cutter, a sider, a topper. All depends on what the gaffer wants to do. These come in very, very, very handy. And various angles will create various amounts of cut to the light, or will stop light from going on various places. So in some instances, you might be watching a scene and half of a person's face is lit and half is in shadow. Sometimes it's a flag acting as a sider just to cut that light off, right? Or as we like to call it, sometimes you introduce negative fill and you use flags to do that. Now these come in various sizes. This is the 2x3, as I said before. In another episode, we'll be looking at 4x4s and also floppies. So stay tuned for that episode as well. But thank you for joining us, and remember to like and subscribe and follow us both on Facebook and Instagram on all things 13. So 13 Degrees North Productions, 13 Degrees North Rentals. Or you can follow me as well on Instagram at the Caribbean Gaffer. Now, until next episode, thank you for watching another episode of How To.